Imagine a universe where mathematics dictates beauty, where a single ratio governs the spiral of a seashell and the grandeur of a galaxy. Known by many names, the divine proportion, the golden mean, phi, it represents a unique relationship between two quantities, approximately 1.618. This seemingly simple ratio holds the key to understanding the intricate balance and harmony found throughout the natural world and in some of humankind's most celebrated creations. Ancient Greek mathematicians were among the first to formally study this ratio, recognizing its presence in geometric shapes, such as the pentagram and the golden rectangle. Over the centuries, artists and architects have consciously incorporated the golden ratio into their work, believing it to enhance the aesthetic appeal and create a sense of balance and harmony.
At its core, the golden ratio is a mathematical concept, an irrational number represented by the Greek letter phi, f. It is often defined as the ratio between two quantities, where the larger quantity divided by the smaller quantity is equal to the sum of the quantities divided by the larger quantity. This can be expressed mathematically as A over B equals a plus B over A equals phi, where A is the larger quantity and B is the smaller quantity. The numerical value of phi is approximately 1.618, but it is an irrational number, meaning its decimal representation neither terminates nor repeats. As the sequence progresses, the ratio between any two consecutive numbers approaches the golden ratio.
Venture into the natural world, and you will find the golden ratio subtly woven into the fabric of life itself. From the smallest of organisms to the grandest of cosmic structures, this divine proportion reveals itself in unexpected and awe-inspiring ways. Look closely at the arrangement of seeds in a sunflower head, and you'll notice two sets of spirals, one clockwise and the other counterclockwise. The number of spirals in each set tends to be a Fibonacci number, and the ratio between the two sets approximates the golden ratio. This arrangement allows for optimal packing of seeds, maximizing their exposure to sunlight and nutrients. The ubiquity of the golden ratio in nature suggests a deep-seated connection between mathematics, aesthetics, and the fundamental principles governing life itself.
Artistic harmony. The golden ratio in art and architecture. Throughout history, artists and architects have recognized the aesthetic power of the golden ratio, incorporating it into their creations to achieve balance, harmony, and visual appeal. Ancient Greek architects employed the golden ratio in the design of the Parthenon, its dimensions and proportions adhering closely to this divine ratio. The result is a structure that exudes a sense of balance, grandeur, and timeless beauty. Renaissance artists, including Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo, were also acutely aware of the golden ratio, using it to guide the composition of their paintings and sculptures. In photography, photographers use the golden ratio to compose their shots, placing key elements at points that correspond to the golden ratio to create visually pleasing and balanced images. The enduring presence of the golden ratio in art and architecture underscores its timeless appeal. Its ability to evoke a sense of beauty, harmony, and balance that transcends cultural and historical boundaries.
The golden ratio in design, from products to user interfaces. In today's design-driven world, the golden ratio continues to hold relevance, guiding the creation of products, logos, websites, and user interfaces that are both aesthetically pleasing and user-friendly. Product designers utilize the golden ratio to determine the proportions and layout of products, from smartphones and laptops to furniture and automobiles. By adhering to the golden ratio, designers can create products that feel balanced, visually appealing, and intuitive to use. The golden ratio's continued relevance in design demonstrates its enduring power, its ability to enhance the aesthetic appeal and user experience of the products and interfaces that shape our daily lives.
The golden ratio's mystique and allure have captivated minds across centuries. From the Parthenon to modern-day smartphones, its presence is a testament to its universal appeal. Whether in art, architecture, or design, the golden ratio continues to inspire and guide, proving that some principles are truly timeless. As we continue to explore and innovate, the golden ratio remains a foundational element, reminding us of the inherent beauty and harmony that can be achieved through its application.